So undoubtedly, when booking a cruise, one of the most important things to consider is your cruise cabin.
Cabins are pretty important.
They're pretty important. So today we're gonna go over the top 10 types of cruise cabins, and number one is very controversial. So stick around. Number 10, interior cabins. This is by far my favorite type of cabin.
It is.
For several reasons.
Okay.
But I'll give you the top two. One is some of the best sleep of your life.
Yeah, I have to agree.
You're blacked out to the world. There's no light coming in. You don't know what time of day it is. It is some of the best sleep you will get ever. Second reason, and my favorite reason, is typically cheaper. They're perfect for budget-conscious cruisers and people who are just looking to get on the ship.
That's the best way to spend your money.
Absolutely.
Number 9, ocean view cabins. Ocean view cabins have quickly become my favorite because even though my husband loves the dark of an interior cabin and he does get the best sleep of his life, I like to be able to either sit or see outside. And the ocean view cabin is kind of like a window to the world. You get to wake up and see the ocean, and you don't have to spend a whole lot of money doing it because you are not buying a balcony. You're also not on the interior cabin.
Yeah, it also helps if you're kind of claustrophobic. You're still able to see the outside
Yeah,
world.
absolutely.
Number 8, balcony cabins. I'll let you talk about more about balcony cabins.
I love a balcony cabin. Listen, if I can go outside in the morning, have my cup of coffee, maybe have me a nice muffin, a little breakfast, sit outside and listen to the ocean waves, I love a balcony cabin. That is my favorite thing to have. And also at night, and maybe it's just me, but sitting out at night, looking out into the dark abyss of nothing and listening to the waves, getting that white noise, it's my favorite thing. Balcony cabins are the way to go if the price is right.
Absolutely.
Number 7, the suite life, a little luxury at sea. Suites offer more space, more perks, and a little more luxury. So suites are perfect for those who want to cruise in style and spend a little more money.
Number 6, family cabins. There's room for everyone.
Everybody.
These specially designed cabins offer extra space and amenities for families. No more squeezing into a tiny cabin.
More room, more people.
Yes.
So we are now halfway through our tour of the best cruise cabins. If you are enjoying this video, now is the best time to subscribe and hit that like button. You don't want to miss out on our future videos packed with cruise tips and tricks. Now let's continue on with the cabin tours. All right, the next one on our list, number 5, spa cabins. Relaxation Central. Now, I haven't had a chance to experience a spa cabin yet, but hopefully in the future we'll be able to do so. Located near the ship spa, these cabins often come with special spa perks. It's like a floating wellness retreat.
Number 4, virtual balcony cabins. This is where tech meets interior cabins with a twist. A floor-to-ceiling screen showing real-time outside views.
I remember our first time seeing one, and it was on the Wonder of the Seas, and I just thought it was so amazing that I can actually be on an interior cabin and still know what was going on outside of the ship.
To me, it's the best of both worlds. It's like magic.
It is like magic. Number 3, solo cabins. Designed for one, no single supplement fees here. These cabins are designed and priced for solo travelers.
Number 2, concierge cabins, VIP treatment. We have had the benefit of having concierge cabin on Celebrity Ascent. So we did have a perks like priority boarding and a dedicated concierge. It is really first class treatment at sea.
And you gotta love those crudités they leave in your cabin.
Crudités. And the final cabin choice is controversial.
Yes.
It's going to be the infinite veranda cabin.
Absolutely. So this cabin is very innovative where it blurs the line between the outdoor and the indoor space. Now, I will tell you, we have heard a lot of controversial opinions about it, and we've also experienced it ourselves. Some of the complaints that I've heard were about temperature changes, that if the window was open, that you couldn't control the temperature in the room. The noise complaints, that the window was a little louder when going up and down, or if it's close to maybe Eden can go late into the night, and then there's a lot of noise that you can't block out. You also may not be able to control the window.
When we first got into the cabin, whenever he deems fit, the captain can lock the windows. So you may not always be in control of your windows, or if there is something blocking the sensor on your window, that you may not be able to control it. I know it's a problem we had because on a 4-day cruise, we only had control of our window really for like 2 days.
Yes.
Because there was a sensor that blocked it and it didn't get fixed to the last night.
Right. So there you have it, our top 10 cabins to consider when booking a cruise. Remember, the best cabin for you depends on your budget, preference, and how you like to spend your time on board.
What's your favorite type of cruise cabin? Let us know in the comments below.
This video has helped you plan your next cruise. Give it a thumbs up and share it with your travel buddies. Thanks for watching, and until next time, Parker's out.